Good day everyone, Alice here from Safi Financial Network. Today is June 26, 2022 and here we are coming with Alibaba stock analysis. So if you remember my last video about Alibaba, I told you certain numbers and I just come up with this price action with monthly chart and told you we are probably getting to the bottom and nail the bottom. Here we go. We just coming up after last video. If you just won, you can just check the link which is coming shortly here. But right now the monthly chart is pretty nice, just because we are getting into this demand area. This is institutional level. I told you 3 shadows, higher lows, and now we are coming back with a nice reversal candle. One doji. The other one is Dragonfly Doji, and then confirmation this month. And month of June is getting almost finished. We will have next week, and I'm sure that next week is going to be well, if something dramatic happened to the market can do all the way down to here. Alibaba can gap down, but there is nothing pretty much in the news, and I don't think any geopolitical things happen to hurt Alibaba that much. So I believe next week, which is going to be last week of the month of June, that would be nice area for Alibaba to close out the candle here, the monthly candle, and we are seeing this basing formation is getting to the reversal, and reversal, I believe, based on the monthly chart, the target for the monthly chart is going to be 150 area. So that is the bottom line for Alibaba. But let's go to weekly, because there are lots of analysis that I have for you in weekly chart. Let's go to weekly chart. Okay, let's delete this fib retracement. Okay, here is the weekly chart. This is a bear trend. Obviously, any way that you want to slice it and dice it, we close above bear trend in 3 consecutive weeks, which is pretty good news for bulls. And also this short-term trend, as you see here, we are just getting pulled back against it last week, but this week we are just coming back up again with nice candle going to the upside, even close above all of these ones. That is going to be a good indication for bulls. However, are we getting back to the bullish momentum? Not yet. So I'm not super comfortable with it. However, there are lots of development happen into the chart, so we should take it as a benefit of doubt. But this one needs to, price needs to close above a 132. So remember, I told you last video, 101 close above this. That would be a fantastic bullish signal for Alibaba. A market did it. Alibaba did it in a very good way. And the next level, I would say, is 132. So price needs to go in weekly basis. Price needs to go above 132 and close above this. So if you want to just put it like a moving average SMA, 50s there, yeah, that's going to be important too. But I'm looking at this price action. This is the pivot. This pivot just initiate the last low, and also this is a wide range bar here exactly on 134. So price needs to go back up here and close above this and hold above this, to be honest. 130 to 132. So the next resistance level for Alibaba, probably this week or next week is coming, is 125 to 132. And I just want to show you something pretty interesting. If some of you, this is kind of like educational purpose as well. So here is the Fibonacci retracement. I just put it at the top, going all the way down to the bottom. And this one. So as you see here, the Fib level 23.60% Fibonacci is coming along with that area, 130. So 130.70 cents. That's going to be your major resistance here. So just keep an eye on this. The next level, I'm just pointing out, if we close above this, that's going to be 161 to 172, which is this supply zone. And this supply zone is coming along with this 38% Fibonacci, 166. So these areas, I just want to show you in probably boxes. That would be great. Here's the box for the next one. And here's the box for the next one. Probably this area, yeah. So these are two boxes that I'm just showing here for Alibaba. Let me clean this. Yes. So these two boxes are going to be next resistance area for Alibaba. However, price has done lots of development into the chart, and we just take it as a benefit of doubt. All right. Let's go to daily chart. All right, daily chart. Here's a nice one. And we are closing above good moving averages, I would say. So if you see, this is the first time since this drop, price is closing above. Just want to show you pretty interesting trend line is here broken. We're just going back up choppy, and these three candles are fantastic. So 122 is coming to this pivot to these resistance area, coming along with a moving average SMA 200. But price closed above all of the major moving averages except this one. And look at this. So I just wanna, for those ones who want to learn more about the moving averages, prices above two short-term moving averages, which is SMA 20 and SMA 50. And just I want to change the color here. Okay. All right. So price is above these two moving averages, SMA 20, SMA 50, and both of them are sloping up, and this is nice crossover. So this means, again, for the first time, because this one happened as well, but as you see here, this one is not sloping up. This one is sloping down and flattened. This one, this is kind of like a price is going up, but crossover is not valid. But this one crossover is valid just because both of them are moving up. And also this is 100, and price is above 100 SMA as well. So that would be great if you see 50 crossover 100. So that would be great buying signal for longer term. However, I think Alibaba just made its low. The final low was there in March 2022, and we are just seeing higher low and probably another higher low for another moving up to the upside. 135, look at this. This is very, very important resistance here. 135, I told you 132 in weekly candle, but 135, that area is very, very important. So keep an eye on this. We're just trying to keep an eye on this. I'm watching this stock just because there are lots of good developments happening. Also, for those ones who are just looking at the pattern, this pattern is very, very bullish. And the minimum target, I would say, for this pattern is this. We can just put this one, copy this one, going there, coming to 160. So it's gonna fill this gap here, and I'm just want to point it out here, right there. Yes. So it's coming to this area 158, 160. That would be great, great area for Alibaba for at least the final target at this stage of the game. Okay, if you like our video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and put your comments down there in the chat box. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.